Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about Lamiaceae family. The description of Lamiaceae family, the classification of Lamiaceae family is: class is the Dicotyledons, subclass is Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order Lamiales, family is the Lamiaceae, or it's called as a Labiate also. Okay, Lamiaceae have about 200 genera and 3,200 species are there. Mostly these plants distributed in the Mediterranean region. In India, they are represented by about 64 genera and 400 species. In Andhra Pradesh, it means Andhra Pradesh means Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. There are 63 species spread over 26 genera. Salvia is the largest genus with 700 species. As per the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, the name of the family should be based on a nomenclature type and have the Latin suffix. You see the important plants of Lamiaceae: Anisomyl malaborica and Calus blumia benth, and other one is Leucus aspera is one of important plant in this space, and another one is Mentha arvensis. Mentha arvensis also one of the Lamiaceae, which belongs to Lamiaceae family, and Ocimum americanum is also belongs to Lamiaceae family. Ocimum basilicum, it's a very important actually. Ocimum basilicum is, and Ocimum graticium, this is called as a Nimma tulasi, and Ocimum tenuiflorum, it is a Krishna tulasi. Origanum majorana is a Maruvam, and Origanum vulgare is a Mruduvarmam, and Pogostemon cablik Pacholi. Rosmarinus officinalis is rosemary. Salvia officinalis. These are the very important plants in the Lamiaceae, and you see the habit or habitat. Mostly these are all mesophytes and samudbijaluga చెప్పుకుంటాం. A few aquatics and marshy plants and xerophytes. Some of plants are aquatic and some of the xerophytes. Example, Rosmarinus is the xerophytic plant. See the habit. It's an annual or perennial herbs and shrubs and stragglers. In Brazil, tree species of Hyptis occur rarely. And the Shakia Lakshanal తీసుకున్నట్టయితే, the vegetative characters are, you see the first one is the root. It's a taproot system. Why? Because already the class is the Dicotyledons, అంటే ద్విదళ బీజాలకు చెందినటువంటిది కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ ఏ taproot system, and adventitious root system is present in Mentha. And stem, you see the కాండం తీసుకున్నట్టయితే ఇట్స్ ఏరియల్ and rarely subaerial, and runners, erect or struggler, hairy, quadrangular, aromatic, and solid or hollow, and vegetative reproduction by rhizome in Plectranthus. You see the leaf, పత్రాన్ని చూసినట్టయితే పత్రం అనేటువంటిది మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్రకాండ సంబంధం అని చెప్తాం మనము. కాలైన్ అండ్ రేడికల్ ఇన్ harmonium, and simple, exstipulate and petiolate, opposite decussate, rarely overload, and ovate, and entire are dentate and hairy, and aromatic and variegated in cellus. The floral characters, the pushpa లక్షణాలను తీసుకున్నైతే ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ ద ఇన్ఫ్లోరసెన్స్. ఇన్ఫ్లోరసెన్స్లో ఇట్స్ ఏ థైర్సస్, ఆసిమమ్ అండ్ కోలియస్లో థైర్సస్ పుష్ప విన్యాసం కనిపిస్తుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వర్టిసిలాస్టర్, ల్యూకస్లో వర్టిసిలాస్టర్ చూడొచ్చు, అండ్ క్యాట్కిన్ ఆర్ అబ్రివేట్ స్పైక్ which resembles capitulum in Anisocalus corneosus. You see the flower, bractate and a pucha sahitam, and pedicellate or sessile, the Vrunta Sahitamu or Vruntarahitamu, complete and bisexual or unisexual, zygomorphic or actinomorphic, dichlamydious and heterochlamydious, and pentamerous, cyclic, hypogynous. See the calyx, cephals 5 and gamocephalous, and bilobed 2 plus 3 in leucus, and each sepal is divided into 2 and thus 10 toothed. Valvate or imbricate anistivation is present and sepals have conspicuous view. And you see the corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, bilipid or bilabiate. The number of lobes in each lip varies. It is 2 plus 3 in and 4 plus 1 in osmum. In some, the upper lip is missing and therefore the lower lip is formed by the fusion of 5 petals. In a few other members, 2 of the 5 petals are fused to give an appearance of 4 petals. These flowers are actinomorphic and anistivation imbricate. And you see the androecium, the stamens 4 and it's a free and diadomous and epipetalous. All the stamens are sterile in Nepeta and thymus. Only 2 stamens are present in Salvia and Myriandra. In a few species, filaments are fused. Monodelphus and Anthus diathecius. It's a basifixed and introdes longitudinal dehiscence. In plants like Salvia, there is a long distractile connective, on account of which the 2 anther lobes are widely separated and look like a liver. Of the 2 lobes of the anthers, the posterior one is fertile and the other one is sterile. And you see the gynoecium, it's a bicarpellary syncorpus, ovary superior, bilacular, but due to the development of false partition wall, in the beginning the ovary becomes tetralacular, one ovule perlacule axial presentation, and gynobasis style, stigma bifid, and nectar secreting disc is present below the ovary. You see the pollination. Pollination, the entomophilus, due to protandry, the self pollination is prevented and cross pollination takes place. In the bilipid or bilabiate corolla, the upper lip covers the essential organs, while the lower lip is parallel and forms a landing place or platform for the insect. When the insect lands on the lower lip, the pollen grains from the protandrous stamens stick to the back of it. At the same time, the stigma, which has not yet attained the maturity and respectivity, touches in the insect. In van and therefore cross pollination takes place. The attractive inflorescence, aromatic plant pods, and nectar secreting disc are the contrivances for cross pollination. See in the species of Salvia, the pollination takes place by liver mechanism. There are only 2 stamens in the species of Salvia. As stated earlier, though the anther are diathecious, only half of the anther is fertile, while the other half of the anther is sterile. Since the connective is long and crosswise, the fertile and sterile lobes are widely separated from one another. The connective on the filament move like a lever. The part of the connective bearing sterile portion of the anther is arranged transversely at the throat of the corolla tube. When the insect tries to enter into the flower in search of nectar, the sterile anther lobes are pushed, the fertile ones bend, touch the back of the insect and release the pollen. The same insect, when visits another flower in search of nectar, the stigma touches the pollen laid back off, and thus pollination is effective. You see the fruits. Fruit is the Carcerulus. It is a drupe in stenogame, and seed is the non-endospermic but endospermic in Prostanthera. The important characters of Lamiaceae: first is the herbs with quadrangular stem and aromatic plants, and these are the opposite epicet phyllotaxy, and it's a bilabiate corolla, and verticilla store inflorescence is there, and thyrosis inflorescence present, and diadomous stamens, and gynobasic style. Fruit is the Carcerulus. The economic importance of Lamiaceae is medicinal and ornamental and essential oils. It is used, and the medicinal importance is the roots of Anisomyls indica are used as an antidote for snake bite and those of fish fever. The seed of the latter taxon are used as medicine for wounds. The leaves of Leonitis are used in skin disease and burns. The leaves of Osmium are used in cold and bronchitis and clearing dandruff also. And you see the ornamentals. Species of Salvia and Lavandula are used as ornamental plants both at home and in gardens. The essential oils: Lavandula yields lavender oil used in the manufacture of oils and soaps, and Rosmarinus officinalis yields rosemary oil. Oil obtained from the species of Mentha is used in the manufacture of confectionery and medicinal powders. See, the other benefits of this Lamiaceae is the leaves of Mentha are used as leafy vegetable. Osmium అంటే మనం మెంతం కూర అంటాం కదా, సేమ్ ఇది మెంతా arvensis, it is called as Mentha arvensis, and Osmium tenuiflorum is regarded as a sacred plant. This is the very economic importance of the Lamiaceae. The classification and taxonomic status, and you see in the systematic classification of Bentham and Hooker, Hutchinson, and Lamiaceae is placed along with other families in the order Lamiales, while in that of Engler and Prandtl in Tubiflorae, Lamiaceae shows fraternal alliance with Verbinaceae, and in latest epic system, some of the taxa like Clerodendron and Vitex and Tectona traditionally placed in the latter are accommodated in the former. A thin line of demarcation is there between the two families, and some of the characters even integrated. Lamiaceae resemble in the characters of the fruit, but differ in those of the radical Lamiaceae resemble in the characters of fruit, but differ in the those of radical, and a close relationship exists between the two. Lamiaceae is regarded as one of the advanced taxon among the dicotyledons. See the diagrams of Lamiaceae family. The A is the twig, and B is the LS of flower. You see LS of flower. In LS of flower, gynobasic style is present. First one is the second one is the sepals, the third one is the petals, and fourth one is the stamen. And fifth one is the stigma, and C diagram of C is the TS of ovary. D is the separated corolla, and E is the floral diagram. See, another diagram is there in map. See, the last diagram, the liver actually you see how xylem is there and petals and stamens are present in the salvia. The A diagram is shows the LS of flower. One is the in A diagram the flower LS of flower. One is the sepal and second one is the petal and third one is the third one is the style and the fourth one is the stamen and B. You see the B structure is the stamen. First one is the sterile anther is there and second one is the connective tissue and third one is the fertile anther and fourth one is the filament is present. And you see the C diagram, the picture showing insect on anther. D is the A picture showing insect away from the anther. Okay, this is the family of Lamiaceae. It's a important లామియేసిలో మనం ల్యూకస్ ఆస్పెరా తుమ్ని అంటాం. వినాయక చవితి టైంలో మనం దీన్ని యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ కామన్గా దీంట్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే తులసి అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ తుమ్మి ల్యూకస్ ఆస్పెరా, మెంతా అర్వెన్సిస్ పుదీనా అండ్ ఆసిమం అమెరికానం అనేది కుక్క తులసి మనకి చాలా కనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆసిమం గ్రాక్సినం లవంగ తులసి అంటాం. ఆస్మం టెన్యూఫ్లోరమిక కృష్ణతులసి అండ్ ఒరిగానం మజోరానా ఈజ్ ద మరువం. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్లాంట్. అండ్ రోజ్మెరీ ఈజ్ దేర్ అండ్ పచోలి ఈజ్ దేర్ అండ్ వామాకు, కప్పరిల్లాకు. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఇన్ లామియేసియా ఆర్ లాబ్యూటిక్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఆవాసం మనం ఇంతకుముందు చదువుతున్నాం. ఆవాసం అనేది సముద్రాలు తీసుకుంటాం, ఆకృతి తీసుకుంటాం, ఓవర్స్ దింబాలు చదువుకుంటాం. అండ్ రో సిస్టమ్ ట్యాప్రోట్ సిస్టమ్ అని చెప్పాము. అండ్ లీఫ్ వచ్చేసి ప్రకాండ సంబంధం ఉంటుంది. ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అన్నమాట దీంట్లో. పత్ర విన్యాసం వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఎక్సైటెడ్ కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. అండ్ పుష్ప విన్యాసం ఇన్ఫ్లోరసెన్సెస్ టైర్సస్. ఆసిమం అండ్ కొలియస్లో టైర్సస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ల్యూకస్ అండ్ లియోనాటిస్లో వర్టిసిలాస్టర్ రకానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఇన్ఫ్లోరసెన్స్ ఆ పుష్ప విన్యాసం అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. సో మనము మందు మొక్కలు అండ్ సుగంధ ద్రవ్యాల్లో అలంకరణ మొక్కల్లో వీటిని ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్లాంట్, దట్ ఈస్ ద లామియేసీ. You see the classification of Lamiaceae and the introduction of Lamiaceae, the important plants of Lamiaceae and vegetative character of Lamiaceae. And see, we already studied, I think this is the corolla and Andrecium calyx. The important points of Lamiaceae is there and the diagram is there. The liver mechanism is salvia is diagram is there. Okay, thank you.